Hello, Las Vegas sports fans. Michael Bondi, Summerlin Realtor and Drone Pilot here, welcoming you back to the channel. First off, is Oakland making the move to Las Vegas or not? People want to know. I want to know. Second, the update on this potential move started with the A's talking to newly elected Governor Joe Lombardo. The governor does not favor public money for a new dome baseball stadium, but is open to other public-private ventures or ideas. Oakland just lost this week a federal grant worth $183 million for this stadium project, further complicating the possibility of the A's staying in Oakland. Right now, the only location that people are talking about, according to the Las Vegas Review-Journal, would be the Tropicana Hotel, located at Las Vegas Boulevard and Tropicana. Bally's Corporation has shown interest in demolishing the current outdated hotel and coming up with a joint project with the Oakland A's. Time has basically run out for Oakland since last year, since the former mayor and city council failed to table a motion to get the Howard Terminal waterfront project funded for a new Oakland stadium. Oakland's current lease at Ring Central Coliseum ends in 2024, leaving the idea that has been floating around here in Las Vegas that the team could play in the Las Vegas Ballpark located in downtown Summerlin, which is 14 miles west of Las Vegas Strip. Currently, the ballpark can seat 10,000 fans and is only a few years old. The ballpark right now is home to Oakland's AAA team, the Las Vegas Aviators. The stadium is a joint project between the Howard Hughes Corporation and the city of Las Vegas. MLB Commissioner Rob Manfred stated he would waive the relocation fee of $1 billion for the A's if they move to Las Vegas. The good news for Las Vegas is that talks are still ongoing. Oakland at this point needs to make up its mind. Pretty soon, time is running out. Other cities in the mix, if Las Vegas does not work out, would be Nashville, Tennessee, Portland, Oregon, and Charlotte, North Carolina. Be sure to click and subscribe and like this video. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.